This video has earned over $100,000 in the last 7 days by promoting a product on TikTok. It's actually crazy. Everyone these days seems to be making hundreds of thousands of dollars on TikTok, and the video style you just saw is going viral, bringing in thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions. And here's the best part. You can start doing this today with zero experience. Today, I'm going to reveal how you can create videos that produce similar results, even if you have no editing skills. And don't worry, I'll show you how to start this business from anywhere in the world. But first, let me blow your mind. There's this website called Calodata that gives insights into trending products and how much money people are making. For example, one account has earned $923,000 in affiliate commissions, another $914,000, followed by $909,000 and $643,000, all in just the last 7 days. So trust me, this is no joke. People are making serious money here. But what blew my mind even more was this account right here. As you can see, it's a fairly new account with around 37,000 followers, which might not seem impressive at first glance. However, what's crazy is that in the last 30 days, this account has earned over $400,000. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create videos like this from anywhere in the world without showing your face and absolutely for free. First, head over to calodata.com and click on Product. Your screen should look like this. You'll see the top 10 selling products on the page. Look for a suitable product. For the purpose of this video, I'll choose this one here. We're shown how much money this product has made and how many copies have been sold in the last 30 days alone. Amazing, isn't it? This product here has generated over $1.7 million and sold over 50,000 items just within the last 30 days. Not too bad, I'd say. Click on the TikTok product link button here and you'll be taken to the products page on TikTok Shop. Copy the URL and save it in a text file. Now that you know where to find hot products, let's move on to creating your video with AI. Before we move on, if you're finding this content valuable and want to stay updated with more AI tools and software reviews that can help you make money online, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. You don't want to miss out on the latest ways to boost your income. Next, head over to topview.ai. I'll leave a link in the description below. Your interface should look like this. Pay attention, because this AI tool has a lot of interesting features that will make your video creation process a breeze. Hot hooks. This tool provides viral, attention-grabbing hooks for a wide range of topics and niches, giving you opening lines that grab attention instantly, perfect for making sure your video stops the scroll. TikTok Ads Library. This section is home to the most viral ads on TikTok within the last 120 days, providing smart analysis and insights to help you understand what works. YouTube Ads Library. Similar to the TikTok Ads Library, but focused on YouTube ads, giving you a treasure trove of inspiration for your content. There are many more exciting features, but I'll leave those for you to explore for now. We'll cover them in upcoming videos. To create videos like the ones I mentioned, navigate back to the homepage and click on Create Videos with AI. You'll see an interface with a form like this. Paste the product link you want to market into the form and click Analyze. It supports links from Play Store apps, Amazon Books, and even products from any online store like TikTok Shop and Amazon Store. For most links, the AI will fill out the form completely on its own. Select an avatar, voice, language, and size, then click Generate. It'll take a few seconds to finish generating the script and visuals. You can adjust the script, delete, and add lines. The tool generates 4 videos with different narratives. Choose the one you prefer and export. You can export for free, but with watermarks, or subscribe to one of their plans for unlimited and premium access to all features. It's definitely worth it. Now let's look at the results.
So, you should totally not buy this Go Pure neck cream. I mean, who wants a firmer and lifted neck anyway? This cream is like a magic potion for sagging skin. Seriously, after 4 weeks, 96% of users saw their skin tighten up. And forget about discoloration or turkey neck, that's so last season. Who needs to deal with necklines when you can just smooth them out? 100% of users felt intensely hydrated after using it. Plus, the new packaging is all sustainable and cute. Seriously though, if you want skin that glows, get on that order button now.
It's mind-blowing how we made that entire video with just a link and a few clicks of a button. I'll drop a link to the tool in the description below. Be sure to use my link to get extra credits and 50% off your first purchase. If you've made it this far, you now know exactly how to create viral TikTok videos that can earn you thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions, all without showing your face or spending a dime on expensive software. The tools I've shared today are game changers, and with just a little creativity, you can start building a successful online business from anywhere in the world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future content. And if you have any questions or need further clarification, drop a comment below. I'll be happy to help. Until next time, happy video making, and let's get those affiliate commissions rolling in.